Hello and welcome to our volunteer orientation video series. We're going to have a few simple videos for you to watch, and then we'll have some questions following up just for you to answer, just to make sure that we know that you have watched them and that you understand what we're doing. This orientation is in no way intended to be thorough training of everything that will happen, but just a quick orientation and overview of some of what we do at Mars Hill Kids, and some of what we expect from you, in that we will go through more in depth as we go along, and we'll help you learn as we learn as well, more of what to do and what to expect in this. First of all, I'd like to go over the requirements for everyone who serves in Mars Hill Kids. This is for myself and everybody who will or who has ever served has gone through all these requirements. We need a application which is online. You can find that in this group if you have not already filled that out. If you can just fill that out, and we'll be able to get that process started. We need everyone to have called Mars Hill their home church for at least 6 months, and the reason for this is really just so that we can get to know you and that you can get to know us, and that we know that that you guys want to get on board with what we're doing here. We would like everyone to be able to make a yearly commitment, but we need everyone to be able to make at least a quarterly commitment. We do our scheduling a quarter at a time, and so it's important for us to be able to know when you're available and for how long. We'd really like you to take a look at a year out and see if this is something that you really want to be a part of, and to make that commitment to be a part of what we're doing here, and partnering and serving with the families of Mars Hill Federal Way. And everybody will need to be approved by the children's ministry, and this will look different for different people, and in no way are we trying to say that we want to make sure that you're good enough, but again, it's just a way that we know that we can get to know you, and that you can ask us questions through the process as well, so that you know us as well. We also need a national background check run on all of our volunteers. You'll be able to pick up the form for that at the children's ministry check-in desk. Whoever's there will be able to help you fill that out. The only thing that we need during that is that we need to make sure we have a picture ID so that we know that it is in fact you who's filling out that form. We also have personal reference checks, which you will fill out in the application. If you could let those people know that we will in fact be contacting them, that would be great. That's often the part that hangs up the process the longest. So the quicker that we can get those back, the quicker we can get you serving with our kids. And then everyone needs to go through our orientation, which are these videos that you're going through now.